Hello and welcome to second episode of Weekend Health and Weekdays Wealth. I am Amit Chauhan, your host and host for Quick Bites with Amit Chauhan. Despite daily exercise and good diet, have you ever wondered that why you still do not lose your weight? To answer all your questions related to your diet, breakfast, lunch and dinner, today we have on our show Mr. Ali Mohsin. Mr. Ali Mohsin is from Kanpur and he's a fitness expert with a decade of experience. So let's get started.
You cannot skip it. Never. Don't skip it. Because see, understand one thing. And if looking at from your point of view, you are one person who have to travel 40 to 35 kilometers every day. Basically, you are an office going person, 9 to 5 job. Your mental stress is much higher than your physical stress. And it is a fact that mental stress burns more of your energy than your physical stress. So understand that the first thing in the morning which you are doing is that you are going somewhere where you have to burn most of your energy. From where you will get that energy? That is the breakfast. So yes, the answer to one question that yes, breakfast can't be skipped. It is one of the most important meal. First thing I would like you to do is that before planning your diet of your complete day, whether it's your breakfast or anything, as you said very right that now work from home has stopped, you're going to the offices.
Yes.
First of all, make the whole flowchart for your day plan. There should be a disciplined time for each and everything. Then only you can attain the fitness at your point, because you don't, I believe you won't get that much amount of time to go to the gym or to invest that much time in the workout. You have to most major part of your day goes with work.
Yes.
So you have to make up time and you have to understand that yes, every meal is very important, especially talking about the breakfast. You have to have a very balanced breakfast. I'm not saying that have anything and everything you get. No, you will have to have a balanced breakfast, which is very important. Your body is divided into different kind of minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, all these things combined together to make your physically what you are. So everything plays an important role. The major role is, see, your body is all muscle, right? So what is the first thing which build muscle is protein. So there, yes, in your breakfast, there should be something which has more of the protein part, which will help you in sustaining your muscle. Now you have to work complete day, so you need energy. From where you will get that energy? Protein won't provide you energy. Energy will be given to you by carbohydrates. Normally people run from carbohydrates that मैं मोटा हो जाऊंगा, मैं फैल जाऊंगा, मोटा हो जाऊंगा. ऐसा नहीं है सर. Carbohydrates is much more different than fats. आप carbohydrates को अपने मील में रखो, good amount of protein रखो, और good fat like nuts होते हैं, almonds हो गए, आपका cashew nuts हो गए, ये 4-5 cashew nuts. This combination is perfect, and a glass of milk. That's it. Simple. अब ये कैसे करोगे आप? 2 अंडे का ऑमलेट हो गया, यू हैव ब्राउन ब्रेड विद चीज, आपका कार्ब्स हो गया, 2 अंडे के ऑमलेट में आपका प्रोटीन हो गया, 1 ग्लास मिल्क, इन योर मिल्क देयर इज कैल्शियम, देयर इज प्रोटीन, देयर इज आयरन, आपका गुड फैट हो गया, द नट्स, योर मील इज डन. As per science, when you wake up in the morning, you have woke up, right? But your body needs time to wake up internally. Your organs are still at rest position. Only your brain has started working and you're outside all. So why we suggest to have 2 glasses of water in the morning? The reason behind is that so that your digestive system should start working. So that you can start feeling part to go to the loo and all these things. We will drink 2 glasses of water पीते हैं. अब उससे लोग कहते हैं कि वेट लॉस होता है. नहीं, वो आपका डाइजेशन अच्छा करता है. तो आप पहले सबसे पहले आप जब सो के उठे, आप अपना 2 ग्लास पानी पिए. देयर इज नथिंग कि आपको नहा के फौरन ब्रेकफास्ट करना है. आफ्टर वेकिंग अप, आफ्टर 1 hour ऑफ योर वेकअप, योर बॉडी इज रेडी टू हैव फूड. अगर once you are done with your washroom and everything, you have good amount of water, go to washroom, you can try it tomorrow. You will start feeling hungry after 45 minutes. But and second, why it is fact and it is proved, because once try, if you wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning and if I give you food at 9:15, you won't be able to eat. You won't feel like eating it. You will say, अभी तो मैं सिर्फ उठा हूँ, कैसे खा लूँ? So
yeah,
you
it's
need
really
that time.
hard to it's really hard to eat in the immediately
after waking
And
up, let's say
especially for
10,
office
15
going
minutes.
people.
Yeah,
Office going people, they don't have time. They have to run with breakfast.
actually.
You'll have to take that time out. There is something called green beans. इसको in
Okay.
हिंदी में कहते हैं मूंग bean. Moong bean.
Moong bean. Okay.
100 grams of moong bean has 26 grams of protein,
Hmm.
which you won't get in chicken. You will
Hmm.
have to eat 250 grams of chicken to get that amount of protein, which you are getting in 100 grams of moong bean.
Hmm.
So if you are a vegetarian, if you are a Jain, you can include moong beans in your diet. It will give you equal amount of protein, and your body requirement will be fulfilled. You don't have to worry about eggs. If you are eating good, it is always good. I would never ask someone to starve themselves. Whenever you crave for food, you should eat it. The point is what you should eat. The first question is that when you should eat food, right? The dinner, when you should have your dinner. So there is actually ये जो एक टाइम होता है ना, जैसे वेद में भी कहते हैं कि आप 7 बजे से पहले डिनर कर लीजिए, ये वेदों में लिखा है. लेकिन our life is not according to Ved. Our life is according to the professional life which we are servant of. So we'll have to respect that time of 9 to 5 job. You will, I believe, you return home. You must be returning home till 7 or 8.
Most probably 8:30 or 8 between 8 to 8:30.
So that 7 o'clock से पहले खाने वाला सीन तो रहा ही नहीं.
No.
तो दूसरी चीज ये है कि you can have your food anytime at night, but make sure that you should sleep at least 45 minutes or 1 hour later you're having your food. Try to walk around a little bit so that you digest up your food. So there should be a 1 hour of gap between your sleep and your dinner. You can eat anytime. That is no issue. But understand you have to take 6 hours of, at least 6 and 7 hours of sleep as well. So again, you have to manage your time. Discipline is coming everywhere. So second thing, what you should eat. How much you should eat actually. See, डिनर जैसे कि आपका ब्रेकफास्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, आपको अपना ब्रेकफास्ट बहुत हैवी करना चाहिए. वैसे ही आपका लंच जो होता है वो आपका एक बैलेंस्ड, बहुत बैलेंस्ड लंच होना चाहिए, क्योंकि लंच के बाद आपको भी काम करना है. यू डोंट हैव टू स्लीप आफ्टर लंच. सो इट शुड बी वेरी बैलेंस्ड. अब जब डिनर की बात आती है, डिनर शुड बी द लाइटेस्ट ऑफ द मील. एंड this meal can be done lightest if you are maintaining the other meals properly. अगर आप ब्रेकफास्ट गलत करोगे तो आप कभी भी डिनर सही नहीं कर पाओगे.
Because they are craving.
तो अगर आपको अब कैसे करना है आपको ये, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने बोला अमित कि आप 4 रोटी दाल खाते हो, सब्जी होती है और राइस होता है. आई वुड सजेस्ट यू एज अ फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट, ईदर ईट राइस और ईट रोटी. डोंट ईट बोथ द थिंग्स टुगेदर.
Okay. I didn't
Any
know
time
that
of the day.
at all.
Reason behind, because I'm looking at you right now, so I'm talking as per your body type. So you have to eat any one thing at one point of time. Have good amount of dal. Even at night, have good amount of dal. Should be at a big katora. चावल उससे थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए. Salad should be good amount. Because अगर आपको भूख लगी रही है तो आपको अपनी भूख सलाद से मिटानी है, दाल चावल से नहीं मिटानी. वो दाल चावल हो गया आपका. So that comes with non-veg also. अगर आप non-veg खाते हो अमित, तो आप चिकन की क्वांटिटी रखो. रोटी 1 या 2 रखो, चिकन क्वांटिटी बढ़ा लो. आप 1 किलो चिकन खा जाओ, मेरे को कोई नहीं. एक दो रोटी खाओ. उसके बाद have your salad, more of your salad. You can have your curd. Now this should be your dinner. Now because why I'm saying it, अब ये light है, आप इसको खा सकते हो आराम से. आपका internal requirement पूरी हो गया, and it is tasty. I know you are a good cook. You can cook chicken very well and other foods. So you can make your diet very tasty and healthy. You should know how to make it. लोग ज्यादातर डरा देते हैं कि भैया उबला चिकन खाना पड़ता है बॉडी बिल्डर्स को. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
आई एम ईटिंग. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. दूसरी चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो आपने कहा कि स्वीट बहुत मन करता है स्वीट खाने का. तो यार प्लीज देखो, स्वीट इज वेरी डेंजरस. आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट एनी ऑफिस गोइंग पर्सन, बिकॉज बहुत से रीजन जो डायबिटीज के और शुगर के होते हैं वो स्ट्रेस से आते हैं, और आप लोग की लाइफ बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल होती है. तो उसमें अगर कुछ गलत करोगे, आपके प्लेजर के लिए वो अच्छा होगा, लेकिन फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म इट इज बैड फॉर यू. अब अगर उसका ऑल्टरनेट आप चाहते हो तो वो ये है कि आजकल बहुत से प्रोटीन बार्स आते हैं. खजूर है, नेचुरल में आपका खजूर है, आपका गुड़ है. तो यू कैन हैव अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ गुड़ व्हिच विल हेल्प यू इन योर डाइजेशन एज वेल. after your meal, और sweet भी. थोड़ी आदत डालनी पड़ेगी. You will have to see. We will have to go back to our culture.
Old days.
Even ancient days, because
दादा
कहते हैं ना,
दादी,
old is
दादा
gold.
दादी, yes, yes.
Natural चीजों में जाना पड़ेगा. And
Ancient
those are very
times,
healthy.
yes.
हाँ. Having a dark chocolate, कि भैया ये dark chocolate खा लो मजा आएगा, नहीं. Having a piece of small desi good would be much more better and healthy for you. So you're and see, all these things will be difficult. It is not easy. That's why first thing which I said in the starting of this interview, that everything depends on how you plan your day, how you make it a disciplined life. That's it. Discipline is the key. Everything can be done.